Yes, friends. So I was doing question number 2 here. In this, actually, there was a problem inside. I mean, in the camera. So I just adjusted that, and after that, I'm just continuing. Okay. Now this question is now completed. Question number 2, we were doing cos 36 degree, cos 72 degree, cos 108 degree, 144 degree equal to 116. Sorry, 1 upon 16. This we have to prove here. 1 upon 16 we have to take. Okay, so in that situation, now question is that how we have to do this. We just cos 36 degree, we have to know cos 36 degree and root 5 plus 1 4, that value is there. But cos 72 degree, we converted this into 90 minus 18 degree. Cos 90 minus 18 degree 72. And cos 108 is cos 90 plus 18 degree. Okay, 144 is 180 minus 36 degree. That is the point. Okay, now we know that what is cos 90 plus theta. Cos 90 plus theta is minus sin theta. Or is 90 plus second quadrant. This is also in second quadrant, 180 minus 36 degree. So cos 180 minus 36 is cos because 180 minus theta, 180 plus theta, cos sin, tan, cot, etc. This is minus cos because second quadrant cos is negative. This is minus cos 36 degree, minus cos 36 degree. It is also minus sine because cos is negative. So the result of this will be negative. That means minus sine 90 plus theta is cos 90 plus theta is sin theta. Minus sin theta. This is minus sin 18 degree. Okay. And this is 90 minus theta. So cos 90 minus theta sin 18 degree. Is in positive in first quadrant. This value is in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all are positive. I mean all trigonometric functions are positive. This is positive here. This is but cos 90 minus theta, cos 90 plus theta is cos sine. It is sine here, sine 18 degree positive in first quadrant, but in second quadrant it is negative. Okay, so we multiply minus and minus multiplication is plus, but sine 18 degree, and cos 36 degree, cos 36 degree, so there is square is there, respective squares. Now sine 18 degree is under root 5 minus 1.4. This I have written down here. These four results are very applicable. All these four I have calculated in first question number. Okay, all these four results are very much applicable. We have to substitute them again and again whenever it is required. These four results are important. That's why I put them there. Now let me use them. This is 18 sine 18 degree, root 5 minus 1.4 whole square, and cos 36 degree is root 5 plus 1 upon 4, and this is whole square, so whole square. Now this is a plus b, a minus b. The same powers are there, so the power is put upon 1 and they are multiplied inside a minus 1. So a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. A square means under root 5 square, that means 5 only. 1 square is 1. Okay. After that, we have taken this. This is a square minus b square means 5 minus 1 upon 4 into 4, 16. Whole square of that. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 upon 16. 4 1 is 4. 4 is 16. 1.4 whole square. And this is 1.16. So right hand side. Same right hand side is okay. Let me take the question number 3. So this is question number 2. We have completed. Okay. Let me talk about now question number 3. What does question number 3 say? Does question 3 say? Let me check it. Okay, so question number 3 contains, I think, two parts of it. Okay, there are two parts of it. First question number 3, first A part. Here we have to prove here. What we have to prove? This is in A part, it is sine square 72 degree minus sine square 60 degree. We have to prove that this whole is equal to root 5 minus 1 upon 8. Okay, root 5 minus 1 upon 8. This is a part of question number 3. Okay, let us take left hand side. The solution we have to find out. This is left hand side here. For left hand side, this is sine square 70 sine 72 degree whole square minus sine 60 degree whole square. Now, what is sine 72 degree? Can be written as sine of 90 degree minus 18 degree. Difference is 72 degree, and this whole square minus sine 60 degree we know about. But the value of sine 60 degree, let me put that directly. We know that sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2 whole square. Since sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2, from table we have discussed about this in the beginning. We see there. This is this. Now let me solve it. This is sine 90 minus theta. Let me write here like sine 90 degree minus 18 degree whole square of this. This is minus this is 3 upon 4. Because square root 3 square is 3 and 2 square is 4, so 3 by 4. Now this is sine 90 minus theta. We know that sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. This is also in first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric functions are positive. All trigonometric ratios or functions are positive. So this is why this is positive. This is cos 18 degree. Cos 18 degree whole square minus 3 by 4. Okay, now cos 18 degree we have just taken here. It is 1.4 square root of 10 plus 2 root 5. This is under the square root 10 plus 2 root 5 whole square of this whole square minus 3 by 4. Should we further solve it? This square root is cancelled out. This is only 1.16 10 plus 2 root 5 minus 3 by 4. Now 16 is LCM. Let me take. So this is 10 plus 2 root 5 minus 3 4 is 12, because 4 4 is 60 and 4 3 is 12. It's 12. So we will get here 2 root 5. 12 10 minus 12 is minus 2 divided by 16. If I take 2 common, that will be root 5 minus 1 in bracket upon 16. 2 8 is just 16, 1 is 2. So this is root 5 minus 1 upon 8. Okay, this is your right hand side. Right hand side, same right hand side is of. This is question number 3, part A. Okay, let us take part B of this. Okay, part B of this is question number 3, part B. Let us take. Okay, so question number 3, part B. Now B says, let me write here. It says sine pi by 5 into sine 2 pi by 5 into sine 3 pi by 5 into sine 4 pi by 5. We have to prove that this is equal to 5 by 16. Okay, this is B part here. Now pi by 5 is what? It is 24 degree, because 180 upon 5. 180 upon 10 if I take, yeah, so that will be, let me just solve it. It will be 24 degree, I think. 180 upon the 36 degree. 5 3 is 15, 5 6 is 30, 36 degree it is. So let me convert them into 36 degree and all those angles. And this can be then written further. So it is 18 into, sorry, this is 36 into 2, 72 degree. Or if I write these two also in the same way, let me first write left hand side here. Left hand side is sine pi by 5 into sine 2 pi by 5 into sine 3 pi by 5 into sine 4 pi by 5. left hand side. Now let me take this. This is sine pi by 5 and sine 2 pi by 5. Now it can be written as sine pi minus 2 pi by 5. Why? Because 5 pi minus 2 pi is 3 pi by 5, same value there. And second can be written as pi minus pi by 5. So the difference is 5 pi minus pi is 4 pi by 5. Now sine pi is 180 degree minus theta. Sine 180 degree minus theta is sine theta positive. Why? Because it is in the second point. Pi minus theta, 180 degree minus theta. That means in place of theta we have 2 pi by 5 everything. So it gives us sine only. Since sine 180 degree minus theta is equal to sine theta positive, second part. It gives us sine pi by 5 into sine 2 pi by 5. Now this gives us sine pi minus theta means sine theta, that is sine 2 pi by 5. This pi minus theta, this is also sine positive sine, so that is pi by 5. Is pi upon 5. Now sine pi upon 5, sine pi upon 5, sine 2 pi upon 5, sine 2 pi upon 5. Their squares are there. It is pi by 5 whole square. Let me write into sine 2 pi by 5, which whole square. What does it give us? Now pi by 5 is 36 degree. It is sine 36 degree whole square into sine. Now 36 to is 72. Is 72 degrees whole square. So it gives us now sine 36 degree below sine 36 degree is this much 1.4. So the value of this is 1.4 is equal to 10 minus 2 root 5. Yeah. It is 10 minus 2 further square root 5. Under the square root 10 minus 2 root 5. Whole square into sine 72 degree can be written as sine 90 minus 18 degree. Why? Because it is sine 72 degree. 72 means 90 minus 18 degree. The difference is this, giving us 72 only. So let me write it here. Okay, so it gives us whole square of this, that means 1.16. In bracket it is 10 minus 2 root 5. Region is square root cancelled out by square. The square it will give us this. Now sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. This is nothing but cos 18 degree whole square. Okay, since sine 90 degree minus theta is equal to positive cos theta. The first quadrant all are positive, all trigonometric ratios are positive. This is cos 18 degree. Now let us substitute the value of cos 18 degree. 16 here. What was it? 16. 10 minus 2 root 5 into cos 18 degree. Now cos 18 degree is this 1.4 root 10 plus 2 root 5 whole square of this. It gives us 1.16, 10 minus 2 root 5. This is also 1.16 into 10 plus 2 root 5. Okay, this is the value. Now let us multiply them and solve it. This is again a plus b and a minus b. What it gives us. Or even if I take 2 common out of this 4, it can give us 2. If I divide by 2, it will be 1.8 into 5 minus root 5. Again, this is also 1.8 into 2 plus root 5. Sorry, 5 plus root 5. Because by 2, I've taken common 2. It will be 5 plus under root 5 only, 2 to cancel out. and this is 8 now. It gives us 1.64, 8 into 8. And this is a minus b and a plus b. Since a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So it gives us, this is algebraic process, a minus b, a plus b. This is 25 because 5 square, and under root 5 whole square. Let me write under root 5 whole square. So it gives us 1.64 into 25 minus 5, because square root 5 whole square is 5. 20 is the difference. 25 minus 20, that means 20 upon 64. 4 5 and 4 16 times. It will give us 5.16. This is the same result here. It is 5.16. Okay, same right hand side here. We have got this is the right hand side, 5 by 16. Same value is obtained. Okay, now let me take next question. Question number 4 now. Let us discuss about question number 4. Now in question number 4, as I rechecked it, the value of the question given. Okay, in question number 5, in place of this 60 degree, first I wrote 60 degree, but it is not 60 degree, it is 60 degree answer. It is 60 degree only. Okay, because when I check the question, okay, given by my student, then I just check the value here, numerical value. It is not 60 degree. I wrote down here 60 degree initially, but I have rechecked this. This is 60 degree. Sorry. Okay, so for this question number 4 I am taking. This is question number 4 here. Again, prove here sine 60 degree. This is sine 6 degree. Sine of 42 degree into sine 66 degree into sine 78 degree. We have to prove that this is equal to 1 upon 60. Okay, this we have to prove here. Let me take left hand side solution. So here left hand side is given to us as sine 60 degree into sine 42 degree into sine 66 degree into sine 78 degree. So if I combine, let me multiply this by 2, because this is sine A cos B, sorry, sine A sin B type, or sine. So when we put here sine A sin B, that means 2 multiplied into sine 60 degree into sine, let me take 66 degree. These two together into 2 sine of 42 degree into sine 78 degree. And this is 1.4 here, because 4 I multiplied 2 into 2 and divided by 4 will change. Now we know that 2 sine A sine B, since 2 sine A sine B gives us cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Try to understand. This is the formula here in terms of cos A minus B minus cos A plus this value is, it will give us 1.4. First bracket will give us cos A minus B, that means 66 minus 6. This I have taken A maximum value. It will be 66 minus 6 degree minus cos sum of them. This is 66 degree plus 6 degree. Okay, so this is the first bracket. Let me now remove this. Okay, this formula we have used. Now second bracket, again cos A minus B 78 degree minus 42 degree minus cos 78 degree plus 42 degree. Simple. So this is the process here we are doing. Okay, so it will give us 1.4. Cos 66 minus 6 is cos 60 degree minus cos 66 plus 6 is 72 degree. is cos 70 degree. Okay, second bracket, cos 78 minus this is 36 because 8 minus 2 6 and 7 minus 4 is 33. So this is 36 degree minus cos 8 plus 2 10 0 1 carry 7 plus 4 11 1 12 120 degrees. Okay, it gives us 1.4. Cos 60 degree, we know this is 1.2 cos 60 degree value, and minus this cos 70 degree can be written as cos 90 degree minus 18 degree. No change. Okay, 90 minus 18, 70. The difference of cos 36 degree. Let me still write cos 36 degree because value is given there. Now this cos 120 degree is cos 180 degree minus 60 degree. That means minus cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree 1.2. It is minus 1.2. We have two number of times. Why? Because cos 120 degree is cos either put 90 plus something, 90 plus 30 degree, or 180 degree minus 60 degree. Difference is 60 degree. Sorry, difference is 120 degree. So this is minus cos 60 degree. Well, in second quadrant, cos is negative. It is minus cos 60 degree. Cos 60 is half, so it is minus half. Minus half we have substituted there. It gives 1.4. Now 1.2 minus cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. So this is sin 18 degree in one bracket. Second bracket, cos 36 degree. Let me substitute the value here. This is under root 5 plus 1 upon 4 cos 36 degree. Minus plus, this is 1.2 degree. Okay, so let me write it ever. So finally, it gives us 1 upon 4 is in bracket, first bracket 1.2 minus sin 18 degree. 18 degree is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. In second bracket, this is root 5 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1.2. Now let me solve them. Further solving them. Now it gives us what it gives us. This is 1.4 in bracket. Now 4 is the LCM here. It will be 2 minus root 5 minus plus here. This is plus 1 upon 4. Second bracket, it is root 5 plus 1 plus 2 upon 4. Okay, so it gives us 1.4. 4 into 4, 16. Let me multiply. Let me first write 3 minus root 5. It is 3 plus root 5 upon 4 and upon 4. So 4, 3 times multiplication. 4 for the 16, 16 for the 64. This is a minus b and a plus b. That we know 9 3 square minus root 5 square. Root 5 here. This is 4 upon 64. It's just 1.16 because 4 into 4, 4 16 times. This 1.16 is the right hand side here. Okay, this is right hand side. The same value we have obtained. Okay, this is question number 4 completed now. So I mean the value is cos sin 60 degree, not 60 degree. That is one correction here. But initially I wrote down as 60 degree, but this is only 60 degree. So please just check that. For the initial writing of mine, if you see, you will find here 60 degree, but that is not correct. Let us take question number 5. What does it say? Now, question number 5 says, prove that, again to prove okay, this is tan 6 degree tan 42 degree into tan 66 degree into tan 78 degree. We have proved that this is equal to 1. Okay, it is similar to the question, but it is in terms of tan. Initial, question number 4 was in terms of sine. Values are same. Let me take this. Solve this solution. Left hand side here. It gives us tan 6 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 66 degree into tan 78 degree. I'm writing into, but sometimes this dot is not written. Please just try to understand. Now we can write it as sine upon cos, which is sine 6 degree upon cos 6 degree into sine 42 degree upon cos 42 degree into sine 66 degree upon cos 66 degree into sine 78 degree upon cos 78 degree. Okay, we have converted them to sine upon cos, but it was in terms of tan. Okay, what we see in the numerator, we have the same value as in question number 4. This is sine 6 degree, sine 42 degree into sine 66 degree into sine 78 degree divided by, remember we have the cos 6 degree, cos 42 degree, cos 66 degree into cos 78 degree. Okay, so in the numerator we will get the same value as we got the answer in question number 4. So we see here that this is 1.16 in the numerator. Okay, divided by same value. This is the denominator here. So let me take the denominator here. What is this? Here, if we are able to prove that this is also 1.16, only then 1.16 upon 1.16 is 1. Then answer will be obtained. But let me first try what is the denominator. For numerator, we know this is 1.16 from question number 4. Same value is given here in question number 4. Sine 6 degree, sine 42 degree, sine 66 degree, sine 70 degree equal to 1.16. The numerator is the same value. Now only point here we will discuss what is the denominator value. Value of the denominator, let me find out. Here cos 6 degree into cos 42 degree into cos 66 degree into cos 78 degree will give us cos 6 degree and cos 66 degree. Let me take them together. This is 1.4 be multiplied by 2 into cos 66 degree into cos 60 degree. In one bracket, in second bracket, it is 2 into cos 78 degree into cos 42 degree. Okay, it gives us 1.4 here. Now 2 cos A cos B. Now we know that since 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A minus B. So this is cos. First will be A plus B. It will be cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Well, in that it was sin. It was first A minus B and then A plus B, but with minus sign there, because it was sin. But in this case it is cos A plus B plus cos A minus B, because it is 2 cos A cos B. It is 2 cos A cos B. Okay, so that let me write here. This is cos 66 degree plus 6 degree plus cos 66 degree minus 6 degree. In the first bracket, let me write here. In the second bracket, we have again cos 78 degree plus 42 degree plus cos 78 degree minus 42 degree. Okay, it gives us 1.4. Cos 66 plus 6 is cos 72 degree. And this 66 minus 6 is plus cos 60 degrees. in one bracket. Second bracket, a cos 78 degree plus 40, 8 plus 10 is cos 120 degree. Okay, and second is cos 78 minus 42 is 36 degree. Okay, now let me solve it here. Okay, so numerator we have obtained 1.16 the same value. This is from question number 4. 1.16 numerator and sin 6 sin this is. Denominator we have now got 1.4. Cos 72 degree can be written as cos 90 degree minus 18 degree. Okay, this is cos 72 degree. But cos 60 is 1.2. This is first bracket. In the second bracket we have cos 120 is minus 1.2. We just proved it. The fourth question. Cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degree is this. This is root 5 plus 1 plus 4. Okay, now let me take it further. Solving it further will give us, what does it give us? Let me check. This is 1.16a. In the numerator we have divided by 1.4 into cos of now 90 minus theta. So this is sin theta plus sin 18 degree. This we know what, plus 1.2 degree, sorry 1.2 only. This is minus 1.2. If I take 4 LCM, let me take this 4 LCM will be minus 2 plus root 5 plus 1. In the first bracket, this is 1.16 in the numerator divided by 1.4 we are taking. So sin 18 degree, let me put sin 18 is root 5 minus 1 upon 4 plus 1.2. In the second bracket we obtain minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Root 5 minus 1 upon 4 is right. It is equal to 1.16 whole divided by, now this is 4 LCM the denominator of this denominator of denominator. So this is under root 5 minus 1 plus 2. In the first bracket, in the second bracket it is root 5 minus 1 upon 4. Okay, so let me write it here. Finally we obtain